this scarf. Ta-da! Oh. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal and today I'm going to be doing my 15-minute flawless makeup routine. This is a makeup routine for beginners. Legit, anybody can do this makeup look. It takes no effort. Minimal makeup products are used to create this look. You can always scale it back a tad if you want. Like you could literally do lip gloss instead of the lip liner and liquid lipstick if you're in a rush. But yeah, this look can be customized to your desired effect, and I am just obsessed with it. It's been my go-to because guys, I've been wanting to look, not saying good, but I've been wanting to look good lately. I've been wanting to feel good. So doing this no effort but a little bit of effort look, it just really brings up my day. It helps me to feel better about myself and about just, you know, when you're put together, it helps your day go a little bit better, in my opinion. So if you want to see how I create, wait, do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. So many people watch my videos, but they're not subscribers, so subscribe. And thumbs up, because when you do thumbs up, you help other people to be able to see my content. So thanks for that support in advance. But yeah, I love this look. And if you want to see how I created it, then just stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup look. I already washed my face and moisturized my skin, did my little skincare routine. So usually I would apply a primer. I'm still going to do that just because, you know, wearing a mask and all that stuff can take its toll. But I really don't think you need to apply a primer if you did your skincare. This is just an extra step for extra people. Then I'm gonna go in with this Eaze Drop Skin Tint from Fenty. I'm in the shade 15, and I'm gonna apply it just on my face. I'm gonna put enough on, because sometimes this is so lightweight, we don't put enough on. I think that's a good amount. And I'm using a brush to blend it out. It's time to wash this brush actually. So I'm just going to distribute it evenly. Like so. This routine takes me 15 minutes. Of course, it could take a little bit longer because I'm explaining what I'm doing to you guys. This is so quick when you're in a rush. Love it. And we're not aiming for perfection with this look, even though low-key I am aiming for perfection. For concealer, I'm going to be using this Fenty concealer, and I broke it, so I'm just trying to use it up before it like dries out. A lot comes out because it's broken, so I'm just going to literally do like a, oh, that was too much. I'm going to do like a dab, a little bit right here, a little bit right here, here. Now I'm going to go in with this Huda baking powder, and this is in the shade Blondie, and I'm going to apply this right under my eye. I found a brow pencil. This is not the one I typically use, but it's okay. This is called the Essence Eyebrow Designer Pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Chocolate. I've never used this before, but honey, at this point, any pencil any pencil will do. I'm just gonna brush my brows, and the secret to doing your brows in a hurry is to legit just focus on the outer tail. We're not even going to try to be all fancy here. We're just going to fill in the outer tail of the brow. Not going to do too much, you know, like so. Going to fill in the outskirts. Y'all know how to clean up your brows by now. Ooh, that's a lot of concealer. Okay, that was not what I intended to do, but hey. I guess I'm gonna prime my lids since I'm already doing it. I don't like. Oh yeah, fleeky brows, here we come. Now I'm just going to define my face by using a bronzer. The bronzer I'm going to use is my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer, and this is in the shade Tan. I love this thing. It looked like this, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush. I do kind of want to do a brush video just because I do feel like specific brushes get the job done. Like, I don't believe you use any brush for any thing. If you want a specific look, you need the right kind of brushes. So I'm not gonna give you guys like a what brand to buy, but more so what brush to buy type of video. Okay, and we're gonna dust off the excess powder now. Okay, and now I'm gonna use what's ever left to kind of set my eyelids, match the nose with the same powder. I'm gonna do like a little nose contour situation. Ooh, I try to get the lines kind of close so that it pinches it more. And now I'm gonna apply a big fluffy brush, but we're gonna take this and just apply it all over the lid too. So I'm going to use that same powder and run it along my lower lash line. I am so hungry and tired right now. Like, I'm going to get a monster as soon as I head to work. Apply a blush. I'm going to use this Snapdragon blush from Becca. This is one of my favorites lately. I typically would cream blush and then use a powder, but nobody has time for that. So just want to apply this. So pretty. I love this. I'm just going to go ahead and use my NYX Brown lip liner pencil. A lot of these products were already mentioned in my most recent favorites video. If you guys haven't checked that out already, do so now. I'll link it down below. So I'm just going to line my lips. Lip liner makes it look like you tried harder than you did, you know what I mean? It makes, when you have like a liquid lipstick and a lip liner on, it just really can bring a look to the next level. I'm just going to spray my face with my first layer of setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this. At this point, we're just going to highlight. I'm going to use my Dior highlighter. It's pretty, you know, it's Dior, so it packs a punch. So I'm going to use an assortment of these 3 colors. In the palette, it's like the golden shade to just apply it on my eyelid. That definitely gives the illusion of effort and, you know, like we actually are trying to look super cute. And then we're going to use the same brush with the leftover bronzer and just kind of like blend out the edges. I'm not going to apply any highlight to the upper brow because that's doing a bit much. But I will apply some more highlight to my inner corner. I'm just going to take one of these lighter shades and apply it to my inner corner. I'm going to apply the lipstick I've been using non-stop. This is a liquid lipstick from Fenty. It's called Unbutton, and this is like their liquid lip. So I'm just going to apply that. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect nude. And now at this point, I'm going to go in with my, this is a step you don't really have to do, but I kind of want to look a little extra polished today. So I'm going to go in with my Fenty powder, and I'm just going to kind of go along the edges and just clean up everything and kind of set my skin tint from earlier. And kind of like a little bit underneath my eyes. So I'm going to apply this brow gel just to kind of help define the brows a tad bit more. I know I said I wasn't going to fill in my brows today, but I kind of filled them in a little bit heavier than I typically would. But anyways, we're going to just set them and lift them. I like the feathered look. And now we're going to apply mascara. Oh guys, I got a headache. It's time to take this scarf off. I wore my scarf because I slicked my hair back because I'm going to wear a ponytail today. And this scarf. Ta-da! Oh, I'm going to apply this mascara. I'm going to apply this on the lower lash line. This is the finished look. I'm gonna have to get ready, and I'll be right back to finish showing the look and, you know, do my outro. I'm back. This is the finished look. I have my watch on, my ring. Try not to be too flashy at work. Some regular silver hoops. I got a white shirt that I already got a makeup stain on. Guys, if I'm gonna make white my new thing, I have to learn how to put on my shirts without getting makeup on it. It's tragic. But I am gonna wear like a jean jacket so that I'm still, you know, cute or whatever. But yeah, this is my look. This legit takes 15 minutes. I can do this look so quickly. Of course, I was talking and lost a few things along the way, but this, no, when you take away the lashes, the liner, the cream contours, the heavy foundation, all those extra steps, you literally can still look perfected, but without all the extra hassle and effort. You know what I mean? This look was effortless for me. It truly was. So if you enjoyed this look, if you think it turned out cute, then make sure you do thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell so that you're notified when I release future content. I truly enjoyed getting ready with you guys, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Crystal_Carmen. I'm still trying to grow that platform over there. I will see you guys on the next upload, which is Sunday. I love you all so very much, and as always, until next time, peace. Y'all know I had to give y'all a look outside. This is my hair, my makeup, flawless. Did I lie? Did I lie? Did I lie? Did I be? Did I lie? But yeah, I see y'all in the next video.